In this area of the exhibit, we really want to focus first on the design engineer who's designing and commissioning the equipment for the first time. As you can see here with our setup, we can use software to set up both the programming of our equipment, but also in the exhibit we can do online connections as well. So I can go up to the internet and go to our service and support website and look up manuals and other documentation, software downloads, firmware downloads, things like that. We can also go to Industry Mall to select products that we want to be able to purchase for our customers. But we can also go right into our service and support site also for our selection tools. So we can configure racks for our automation system, configure panels for panel design as far as electrical components and specifications for those devices. The software will also be able to switch then from a maintenance mode, and where we'll run our software, and now it becomes more of a complete factory control station. So now I'm in the control room of a factory and I come in here and focus on a particular application. Say for oil and gas, we're at a pump jack system, and the panels behind me now represent 7 different applications within that pump jack system. And now I can look at online diagnostics, troubleshoot faults, and maintain operational data from these pieces of equipment as well.